So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roshade not working. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open Task Manager. And you need to make sure you are not running any Roblox launcher or any overlay apps like for me, OBS Studio, Steam, Discord, and also third-party antivirus apps like Avast, CC Cleaner, or others. You just need to make sure you're not running Roblox launcher apps with overlay and other antivirus programs. After that, close this and you need to open your browser. And you need to go to roshade.com. You want to download Roshade and click the free version here and download. What you need to do is install it, and once you installed it, you will see this Roshade launcher icon here. Now what we need to do is to open Roblox through here. So basically you will open Roshade launcher and your Roblox will start. Now you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, another thing you can do is to right click Roblox player and open file location. Now right click again on Roblox player and open file location. Now here on Roblox player launcher, you need to right click and go to properties. Go to compatibility and make sure to enable this. You need to check this, disable full screen optimizations. Click apply and OK. Now you will need to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. If this video fixed your problems, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.